Hey guys, welcome back to a review, and today I am back with another unboxing. But this one's a little bit different because we're not doing Pokemon. We're actually going to be doing these little Halo Foxtrot Mega Bloks blind bags, and I do have two of them. Picked these up at Target, $3 a pack. That's not bad actually. So I got two of them for $6. That's crazy. That's so cheap. And that's good too. That's really good. If you wanna start collecting these, I mean, this is my first time getting these, but if you guys want to start collecting these and you don't want to buy like a big old thing, I recommend getting these. Pick them up at Target, $3. Might as well. Anyways, we're gonna open our first one, see what we get out of it. There are 8 figures to collect, so hopefully we get some pretty cool ones. Probably should have, never mind. I brought my skizzers, so. Looks like I'm gonna need skizzers for this. Skizzers help, the mighty skizzer. One of the guys that I want the most, probably this red Spartan up here with the, forgot what it's called. Sorry. I haven't played Halo in, like, forever, dude. So, dudes and guys and gals, so, you know. I think it's the Infinity. Yeah, it's Infinity Blade. Okay. This new camera is so weird, dude. You have no clue. Looks like we got. Okay, so on our first one. So here are all the guys. Don't have names, but we got this guy with the cloak. Yeah, we got the cloak. I know what this is. I have played Halo, but you know. So. This is cool. Which side is the front and which side is the back? So we're actually going to build this guy on camera for you guys, so yeah. I guess it doesn't matter, so this must be the front, because the neck, you know, see. So I'm going to guess. This is back armor. This is so trippy because it's like a clear thing, so it's like really hard to see where I'm putting stuff. So I'm actually gonna try and get his. This is his front one, clear. I know that because it's again I played Halo on the channel before, but there we go. So this one must be the back. Oh, that's cool. Sweet. There we go. Alright, so got his front armor. There's his helmet. Let's put his helmet on. That's a really cool helmet. Check that out, guys. Where's the camera? There's the camera. Okay. Dude, that is, oh my god, dude, I love this new camera now. That zoom and focus is so amazing. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so. I love that zoom up. Look at that zoom. That's dude, look at that autofocus. That is so beautiful. Oh, my new camera's amazing, dude. So, I'm reading the directions. I was supposed to put this over the head, but who cares? Right? You guys are learning with me. So, looks like here's his gun. Just gonna show this up real quick. Looks really cool, guys. Really cool. Like that gun. So this clearly is the leggy PC. Thingy me bloober bloop. This is going to be a long video, because you guys are going to learn with me how to put these things together. You're all learning with me, folks. You're all learning with me. Sorry if I'm really close up to the microphone. It's because I'm trying to get this in place. Which, as you can tell, is very hard. There's a crotch piece. Ouch. Yeah, that's the crotch piece. Alright, so just gotta boot that right over here. Sorry if you hear jingling. Oops. My dog's running to the door, so sorry about that. Ah! No! God dang it! Done me in the anus. Oh my God. How the in the world? Just how the in the world? There we go. Alright, looks like we got his body built so far, and we good? We good? I think we good. No, we ain't good. Where does this piece go? I have no clue. Must go there. Where does this go? I'm so confused. I think it goes there. It's the only place it seems to go. Yeah, I think it goes there. Yeah. Yeah, because it fits better. There we go. Snapped in place. Alright. Sweet. So, here we go. Getting some progress. So... I'm gonna take a look at this guy real quick. If you all don't mind, guys and gals out there. I'm trying to see, where does this piece go? Hang on. Oh. Well, these ones go on his legs, so let me get those on his legs. Oh wait, these ones go on his legs, don't they? Yeah, yes, these ones go on his legs. Okay. This is so hard because it's like transparent plastic. There we go. There we go. Alright. Progress is coming along. So this video is going to be pretty long. It's already 8 minutes. Well, that's okay, because learning how to put these guys together as well. Okay, so then these ones go on his arms, so. But which way? Guess it doesn't matter, but. Speaking of Halo, if you guys want to go see a Halo, like a really good Halo Let's Play series right now, I recommend checking out Dragon Throne 30's Halo series so far. It's pretty good. Pretty good. So, on the arm piece stuff, it really doesn't matter where you put the armor. I don't think. Yeah, no, it doesn't matter where you put the armor stuff. So, yeah. But for Okay, yeah, it really doesn't matter where you put the armor on his arms, but I can barely see this guy, so kind of sucks. That's nice, I got a cloak. I got the cloak guy. There we go. Looks good now. Then we just give him his gun. So, I'm gonna give him his gun real quick. But now, he is ready for battle. Sweet, dude. So there we go. Real cool. Like it. Nice. I'm gonna put that back here. Now I'm gonna get this stuff out of the way. So here's all the figures. There's a mystery one. I don't know who he is. But yeah, I really want this red Spartan. Looks so cool. Either the red Spartan or him. Because I want that Infinity Blade, dude. I think that's what it's called. Don't remember, but, you know. Correct me if I am wrong. Looks like I need to cut a little bit deeper. There we go. There we go. I got it now. I got this. Let's see who we got. That's literally all the pieces. Looks like we got a grunt. Clearly. You couldn't tell. Got him. How do I know? Because I know things. Sorry if you hear noise in the background. Dog once again. Oh god. So, this one's a little harder to put on. Ah! There we go. Okay. At least we got a bad guy, right? That's pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good. Ouch. Come on. There we go. Now I got his arm in. Jesus. There. That one was easier. And give him his gun. Pichu. And now, there we go. So, let me show you the grunt real quick. Pretty cool, nice and pretty. I'm gonna fix his head up a little bit, because I just noticed it's not all the way in. It looks fine now, okay. It looks fine now, so. Alright, so there we go. And he's about to shoot himself. And okay, there we go. There's the grunt. Excuse me, camera, focus on him, please. Yeah, there was the grunt. That one was easy, dude. Jeez. So, yeah. Those are the guys we got. We got the grunt. We got the little cloak dude. So, I mean, didn't get the Infinity Blade. But, hey. But, hey, I mean, at least we got some cool dudes. At least we got a hero. At least we got a Spartan and a member of the, whatever they're called. I don't even know. But yeah. So, really cool. I'm probably going to buy more of these guys, so don't worry. Definitely going to buy more. But for now, pew pew! And a And I'm cloaked. But yeah, that's all for this time. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe. Peace out, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.